We have tornadoes popping up everywhere out here. We live in Shelby. It's in Missouri Valley, in Atlantic. And just to show everybody what I'm talking about, this is what it looks like out here right now. There's sun right here. And then out there, it is completely black.
Fort Smith's got a tornado on the ground.
Fort Smith does?
Yeah.
10-4, go ahead.
I wouldn't be looking at that, I'd be looking at what's coming behind it.
Where?
That's going bye-bye. You ain't got to worry about that no more. This big ass storm.